From Slop to Symphony, the truth about AI creation. They call it slop. That's the word critics love to use when talking about AI creations. But today, we're going to uncover the truth. And you might be surprised by what we discover together. AI creates slop. Or does it? Meaningless, cheap, fast, disposable. Some say AI creates meaningless content. And yes, sometimes it can. But that's not the whole story, because AI doesn't decide meaning. People do. Every new tool was once criticized. Back in the 1800s, the camera. Artists protested it was cheating. In the 1980s, musicians called synthesizers soulless. Artificial intelligence. Today, critics call it slop. Every revolutionary tool was doubted until people learned how to use it. AI has no life experience. It has never fallen in love. It has never felt loss, and it has never had a dream. It can assist, but it cannot feel, and that's where you come in. You are the creator. AI is just the tool, like a piano waiting for someone to play it. Without you, it makes noise. With you, it makes music. Amplification, not replacement. AI doesn't replace imagination. It accelerates it. It helps ideas move faster from your mind into the world. Thinking still matters. The real danger isn't AI. It's turning off your thinking. When you guide AI, you remain the creator. A new era of creation. For the first time in history, anyone with an idea can bring it to life. The barriers are gone. The opportunity is here. Slop or Symphony. The outcome isn't determined by AI. It's determined by you. The future belongs to the curious. So call it slop if you want. But in the right hands, it becomes a symphony. And those hands might just be yours. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to those curious enough to use them. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy. Stay curious. Keep creating.